Hello and welcome to Neuro Navigator. Today's topic is neuronal anatomy. We'll start with the directional flow of information. Now, unless it is manipulated in a lab environment or for other few exceptions that I will not be getting into today, information flows from the dendrites up here to the axons out here. Now, this is both a receiving and a sending neuron because it is receiving inputs up at the dendrites up here and then sending outputs at the axons down here. Now, the dendrites, again, are those branch-like looking structures up there, and all of those little offshoots are called dendritic spines. Some dendritic spines can grow as connections between neurons strengthen. Now, the inputs from those dendrites flow into the soma, or cell body. This is where many proteins are stored and messengers are created, but most notably, this is where the nucleus is. These little wraps down here after the axon helix is called myelin sheaths. Now, in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, they're composed of two different types of glial cells. In the central nervous system, they're composed of a glial cell called oligodendrocytes. And when you have a myelin sheath like this, that is actually one cell. So that's its own nucleus. In the peripheral nervous system, you have Schwann cells, and actually only the feet of those glial cells are wrapping around to create the myelin sheath. At the very end here, we have the axon terminal or axon button and axon collaterals. And so this is where the message is being sent out. Now you'll notice here I also have a label for the synapse. Now this is called the synapse or the synaptic cleft, and it's basically the gap between this neuron and the next. This has been a very basic introduction to neurons. For more information about the unique potential of neurons, please follow along.